Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to cover how can we set default text size in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to set your default text size. So how can you set your default text size in your Infinix mobile? In this video, I will tell you. Then guys, you can set your default text size. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to set default text size setting, then guys scroll it. Hence you can see phone guys display and brightness setting in your Infinix phone guys. Click here, scroll. Hence you can see your phone size and text size setting guys. So as you want to set into default, as you want to set into small, you can set from here. So as I told, we want default text size. So as you can see your preview, you can see your default text size setting. Come back friends, your text size will default in your Infinix phone guys. You can see. So like that guys, you can set your default text size in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet our next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye friends.